We're getting ready to go into Super Smokers for some classic St. Louis barbecue.
Welcome to the best little single unit barbecue joint in America. Welcome. The BBQ Beans and Super Smokers Barbecue. We're definitely contributing to global warming. Anyway, I do celebrity barbecue impersonations. My favorite one is Jay Leno. Anybody that parboils a really good piece of meat, all they're doing is putting it in water and boiling all the good flavor that God put into that piece of meat. So my personal opinion is that probably people who parboil have little bitty 666s right in the back of their head.
Parboiler?
Well, I guess.
Just learn different methods.
When we used to grill at home before I came to work here, I'd always put my coals everywhere.
Yeah.
Well, now that I've been working here, you know it goes on one side, so that the smoke goes all the way around.
And you learned how to parboil here?
No.
You don't boil your ribs?
No. No.
Nope.
That's a bad thing, huh?
No, that is ridiculous. Sorry.
This looks incredible.
The pork steak's way better than the nachos.
I think the nachos are great.
You don't know what you're talking about.
Well, they're both good, but the nachos are so clever and unusual.
Well, you don't know what you're talking about. This is good.
What do you think? What kind of temperature you think you want to? Let's get this thing
Terry.
right.
How do we cook Shane?
Well, let's see. You know, by the size of him, I'd say probably at least 24 hours. You know?
Really, that long?
Yeah.
Oh, no!
When you hear the click, that means we're smoking. Now you're smoking, Shane, and I'm out here with the smoking one.
The nachos are good. Very original. But not as good as the pork steak.
Oh, really? I don't know.
Exactly.
Such a know-it-all.
The pork steak is such a big thing in the St. Louis area. It's not a big thing in other regions of the country, so I'm going to have to show you a pork steak and let you experience that. And people love cooking pork, and they love using their barbecue sauce right here in the St. Louis Gateway area.